Hi and welcome to AsiansBlogs3India.com. My name is Bhagat Desai and this is our review of the Apple iPhone 7. In this review, we will be focusing more on the camera capability of the iPhone 7 and not touching upon all the specs as well as the changes which have been made as compared to the iPhone 6s. Of course, we will be touching upon some of the bigger changes that have been in case of the iPhone 6s to the iPhone 7. So let's quickly dive in and see what the key features and the key changes are as compared to the previous editions. While the dimensions, screen size and PPI of the iPhone remains unchanged, there have been considerable upgrades both under and over the hood of the phone. The first of which is that it now features a 25% brighter display with a wider color gamut as compared to the 6s. Gone is the pressable home screen button, which might take some getting used to, but I like it once you adjust it to it. The headphone jack is missing from the iPhone 7, and this move is to ensure that the iPhone 7 offers robust dust and weatherproof features. The phone is now IP67 certified, which means it is dust and water resistant up to 1 meter and 30 minutes. A big noticeable change is that the camera now protrudes out as compared to the previous editions. But overall, it's a much cleaner design as compared to the earlier phones. We tested the camera under numerous conditions to review its performance in daylight, low light and videos. When you fire up the camera, it is a familiar look of the flash, HDR, live photos, timer and the filters on the top. Not much of a change here, and the bottom continues to give you the options to shoot in different modes like video, photos, slow-mo and so on.
Right now I'm shooting this using the front HD camera, which has changed considerably. Now it is a 7 megapixel HD camera as compared to the iPhone 6s, which featured a 5 megapixel camera. This records full 1080p HD video.
So there's a considerable amount of change that has gone into the iPhone 7 camera. Although the sensor is a 12 megapixel sensor as compared to the iPhone 6 Plus, but now it features an aperture of 1.8 f1.8. Secondly, it also has a new 6-element lens which delivers a far sharper and a crisper performance as compared to the earlier models. One of the key differences is that it shoots 4K now, which is something which is increasingly becoming popular amongst consumers at 30 frames per second. When it comes to video, the iPhone 7 has stepped it up a notch with the introduction of the optical image stabilization into the 7 model. The phone shoots 4K at 30 frames per second and it is capable of shooting slow-mo at full HD at 120 FPS. What I liked about the camera is that the autofocus tracking of the new camera is really fast and accurate as demonstrated in the videos that we have shot. As for the picture quality and performance, the images shot from the 7 display great detail even in low lighting conditions, and this is where the wider color gamut seems to come to play. The colors are well saturated and the pictures are crisp and sharp even once you zoom into them. While the performance of the iPhone 7 camera is good, the lack of manual controls seems to take a little bit away from the phone. While the screen gives you the option to control the exposure manually, the absence of controls which are for shutter speed, ISO and aperture are something that we would have liked to see, especially considering that some of the other phones in the same league offer you these settings. If you're looking for a phone that delivers fast and smooth performance, then the iPhone 7 might be the right choice for you. The upgraded camera delivers sharp as well as saturated pictures. The introduction of the optical image stabilization works really well with the videos. But starting at Rs 62,000 for the 32GB version, it's a phone which might set a small dent into your pocket. Especially if you're looking to buy the iPhone 7 only for its camera, then my suggestion would be that you also take a look at some of the other products in the same league, like the newly launched Google Pixel. But if you're looking for a phone which is performing well across the board, is a consistent performer and have the budget for the same, then the iPhone 7 is surely the right choice for you. Catch the full review of the iPhone 7 in the December 2016 edition of Asian Photography magazine. And if you like this video, then do drop us a like, follow us on YouTube, subscribe to our channel, and also look us up on Facebook because there are lots more videos that you can see over there. So until next time, happy reading.